Do you want to make your first $10,000 online? Have you tried different business models and nothing seems to be working? Well, this video is for you. Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. I'm Ayo, the founder of PushLab Wholesale, and in today's video, I'll be giving you a quick introduction to Amazon FBA Wholesale. Picture this, you're sitting in the comfort of your own home while your products magically sell themselves on Amazon. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Amazon FBA Wholesale, that dream might as well become a reality. So what exactly is Amazon FBA Wholesale? Simply put, Amazon FBA Wholesale is the practice of buying products in bulk from manufacturers, suppliers, authorized wholesalers, and even the brands sometimes, and then reselling those products for profit on Amazon. And let me tell you, this might be the best online business model going into 2024. And here are 4 reasons why. Number 1, no advertising. If you're doing a business model like dropshipping, you would need to spend money to create brand awareness. And this usually means spending money on Google advertising, Facebook advertising, or Instagram advertising. But with Amazon FBA Wholesale, since you will be purchasing big brand name products from suppliers, distributors, or even the brands themselves sometimes, these brands have already done the legwork and groundwork for brand recognition. These brands already have the demands for their product on Amazon. Your only job is to sell on already existing Amazon listings. Number 2, high barrier of entry. You will be purchasing directly from wholesalers, meaning these wholesalers will have medium to high MOQs. And what's MOQ? MOQ simply stands for minimum order quantity. It usually means the lowest quantity of products that these distributors want you to purchase from them. This business model is not for people who have just a few $100s to spend. You definitely need a few $1,000s to get into the Amazon FBA wholesale game. Usually that would be a bad thing, but in this case, it is actually a positive because it only means one thing. Any business that has a very high barrier of entry means it's impossible to saturate that business model. Take dropshipping, for example. The barrier of entry, extremely low, but the number of people who get into dropshipping every single day, it increases, making the competition extremely high and at times even impossible. Number 3, profitability. Running an Amazon wholesale business can be highly challenging, but it's also very profitable. The key is to do your research before making big purchasing decisions from wholesalers. It's not unusual to find people doing anywhere from 10 to 50% ROI on the products they're selling in their Amazon wholesale business. 4, predictability. If you're selling big brand name products on Amazon, it's relatively easy for you to predict the amount of products you're going to sell that month. Here's why. Prior to even buying inventory and sending them into Amazon fulfillment centers, you should use a tool like PushLab Wholesale to find the most potentially profitable products for your business. You should analyze the demand for these products, and you should also analyze the competition on each product, current and historical. With that being said, here are 5 steps you can take today to become an Amazon wholesale seller. Step 1, research. Find products that have a high demand on Amazon but aren't really saturated with competition. Utilize tools like PushLab Wholesale to uncover hidden gems, products that can be your golden ticket to success in Amazon wholesale. Step 2, establish relationships. Start reaching out to manufacturers, distributors, or authorized wholesalers. We all know it's really difficult to establish good relationships with distributors, especially if you're a beginner Amazon seller. But at PushLab Wholesale, we give you access to over 4,000 wholesale distributors and their contacts and a contact person to get you started in this business. Once you reach out to these distributors, try to build connections and try to negotiate on competitive pricing. Remember, the closer you are to the source, the bigger your profits. Step 3, inventory management. Once you've acquired your products, it's time to send them to Amazon Fulfillment Center. Amazon will handle the storage, the packing, the shipping, returns of all your products, saving you a lot of time and a lot of headaches. Step 4, help optimize the listing. A lot of big brands do not actually sell their own products on Amazon. If you go to an Amazon listing and you go down to where it says sold by, you would usually see that it's not actually the brands themselves. Hence, you can imagine why a lot of product listings aren't as optimized as they should be. Here's where you come in. You can offer to do this, and it's not only going to drive more traffic to your listing at the end of the day, but it will also help you build a solid relationship with the brand, because at the end of the day, you are only helping them sell more products, making your value much higher than it was. Remember, the key in this business is to build strong relationships. Step 5, monitor and adapt. Continuously analyze your data and adjust your strategies accordingly. By doing so, you'll always ensure you have a thriving business that keeps raking in these profits. There you have it, 5 steps to becoming an Amazon wholesale seller. By following these steps, countless entrepreneurs have transformed their lives and achieved tremendous success. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit and dive into the world of Amazon wholesale today. Remember, The opportunity is there, waiting for you. Seize it and watch your bank account soar. Go to pushlabwholesale.com today and get started.